Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have a new arrival from Gershon. This is their red builder gel kit. At first I thought they were sending me poly gel, but I guess it's more like a builder gel in a squeeze tube, and this will be my first time trying out a product like this. Supposedly it's supposed to be really easy to apply, and I'll be showing you guys what comes in the kit. First, you get some instructions. They always include instructions with their kits, shows you how to prep your nails and stuff like that. You also do get 50 nail forms, a 100-180 grit nail file, and they also include a little dust brush in this kit, which they don't normally include in their kits, so I thought that was pretty nice. And you do get an 8 milliliter base coat and a top coat. You also get this gel brush, which I feel like you don't really need to use it as much since you mainly apply the product straight out of the bottle and onto your nail. I didn't really use it. I only used it to kind of like fill in any areas I might have missed. You get 6 different colors. They're all numbered. They don't have names, and they are 30 milliliter each, so you should be able to get quite a few sets of nails out of these, which is really good. I'll be showing you guys some swatches on a paper towel in a few, just so you can see what all of the colors look like, and so that we don't take up that much time in the video since I'm doing like a tutorial. As far as all the colors go, I feel like they all apply really nice out of the bottle, and I do like all of the shades. The only two that I don't really like is the darker orange and that red color. I don't really wear colors like that, so I wouldn't really know what to do with them. I do like the second shade, which is that peachy color with the glitter in it. You can't really tell it has glitter on camera, but it does. And so does that pinkish color, which I like as well. I do like the nudes. I feel like you can use those for ombres and stuff like that. So overall, I do like the shades except for those two. So I'm going to be doing a quick little design on my practice hand, and I'm going in with the base gel first. But of course, if this was your natural nail, you would push back your cuticles, rough up the surface of your nail, go in with your dehydrator and primer, and then the base gel. I'll be curing this layer for 60 seconds with my Macart mini UV LED lamp. Next, I'm going to be applying that color 056, which is like that glittery peachy color, to all of the nails. I did the pointer finger off camera since it was my first time, and I kind of wanted to get a feel of how the product worked. What I could say is when you get to the free edge, don't apply as much, because I kind of did that on the pointer finger and it became a little bit bulky, but that's nothing like, you know, any filing can't fix. But to avoid that, just be lighter handed when you get towards the free edge. And the way that I apply it is I start by the cuticle, and you want to usually start by the cuticle and get like as flush as you can, and then basically all you do is just work your way side to side all the way down the nail. And you kind of, as you're moving down the nail, you're gonna want to kind of like pull the corners down as you're moving down the nail, otherwise they'll kind of like start dripping off the side of the nail, because this is a builder gel, so it's a little bit more runny, which is also why I'm going to be curing each nail. You'll get to see what I'm talking about when I get to the ring finger. Okay, so just like I said, you're going to want to start by the cuticle, and as I'm doing this, I'm constantly squeezing the bottle, not hard, just very lightly, to squeeze out the product. And as you can see, working side to side down the nail, and you'll see me here and there take the corners and bring those down to avoid bulkiness. And I'm just going all the way down the nail, and be very light towards the free edge, meaning don't apply as much gel, otherwise you'll end up with a bulky like free edge, and that's not cute. And when you're done with that, you can just take the brush and like move the gel around if you miss any spots. You don't want to press really hard because you'll remove the gel. You're just going to want to do like a floating technique where you're lightly touching the gel and moving it into place. I'm going to be applying a second layer on all of the nails just like I did with the first one, but I'm going in with a second layer because the nails were kind of sheer, and I think it's because they're so long. If your nails were shorter, you probably wouldn't have to do this, but as you can see, the free edge on this nail is really bulky, and that's what I was talking about. When I got to the end, I squeezed out too much gel, so to avoid that, when you get to almost the free edge, you can kind of just drag the gel down so that it's not so bulky. But overall, this product is really nice and it goes on really smooth, and I feel like you could get a set done in like 20 minutes if it's like a basic set. So yeah, I really like it, and the nails are pretty strong. Alright, so I file shaped and buffed the nails off camera, and don't worry, I will be working on my filing and prep routine. A lot of you guys have been asking me about that. I've just been really busy doing like reviews and stuff, but don't worry, I will be having that video out pretty soon, maybe within the next few weeks, so you guys can refer back to that if you want to see how I do my filing and shaping and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm going in with these Chanel stickers that I got off of eBay. They're like these little studded stickers. I really don't even remember who I got them from because it was so long ago, but you might be able to find them if you search Chanel nail stickers. So yeah, I'm just applying those to all of the nails, and then I'm going to be applying the top gel from the kit and sticking these little iridescent daisy glitters like in between the Chanel stickers. Those are from Unique Nail Creations on eBay. They came in like a little variety pack of different colors. You get like a teaspoon or something of them. As you can see, I'm just going to be sticking the glitters into the gel. If this was your real hand, you might want to encapsulate them. This is a fake hand, so it didn't really matter to me as much. But if you're okay with this, you might want to go in with a second layer of top gel just so that they stay on a little bit better, depending on how rough you are with your hands. But yeah, that is about it for this set, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you leave me a like, I really appreciate it, and a comment to let me know what you think about this gel kit. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at StayPolished91. I'll see you guys in my next one.